Welcome to Sarah's How to 101. Today we are here with Audrey on greenhouse gases. Human activity, such as driving or the production of fossil fuels, increase the amount of greenhouse gases. The more greenhouse gases that are absorbed, in result, it increases the negative consequences to our Earth. Natural greenhouse gases are productive and healthy for our Earth, but since the time of the Industrial Revolution, the occurrence of the burning of fossil fuels have become more prominent than ever. Too many greenhouse gases mean that the sun's heat gets trapped by a blanket known as the atmosphere. So we are here today to speak to Audrey on how to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases and new alternative ideas of power sources instead of the burning of fossil fuels. So Audrey, what types of energy would you use other than the burning of fossil fuels?
I believe that a combination of wind power and biomass are a perfect combination. This is a perfect solution to fight back the burning of fossil fuels, disrupting our cozy ozone layer. The burning of fossil fuels create pollution and more carbon dioxide than ever. Not to mention the millions of lives taken in mines, mining for coal. The mining of fossil fuels destroy beautiful landscapes of pure beauty and nature. To add on to the cons of fossil fuels, coal-fired stations need enormous amounts of fuel. These are all reasons why our future should include a combination of two types of powers. The first power would be wind power. First of all, wind power is free, which makes this easily accessible to anyone of any wage. Second, the land under the windmills can still be used to grow agriculture of any kind. The second type of power that we should use in a perfect solution is biomass. Biomass uses wasted materials, not to mention that in a year, the U.S. wastes a total of 133 billion pounds of food. Think about how all these hundreds of billions of wasted pounds of food can be renewable to make cheap fuel, while benefit our Earth in two ways. The first way it benefits our Earth is because it uses all the food that us humans do not consume to make something renewable and useful. Second, biomass makes fuel so cheap. An average American spends $368 a month solely on gas, and with biomass, this amount of money monthly can go down quickly. And with a combination of wind power and biomass, different seasons in the year can use wind power or biomass. For example, during the winter, we could use wind power and all the wasted fruits and vegetables from the winter season to power our cold winter, leaving the season of winter with zero waste. And during the summer, where there is barely no wind, we could use all the wasted summer fruits and vegetables to power our cars, using every last pound of wasted food. The future is a combination of biomass and wind power.
Thank you so much for tuning in today in series How to 101. Thank you so much guys. As you heard before, our future is biomass and wind power.